If your credit score went down recently and you didn't even do anything wrong, you're not alone. Credit scores are falling in every state across the country. And today I'm going to explain why it's happening, what's really behind it, and how this affects you. New data shows average credit scores have declined nationwide. This isn't isolated to just one group or region. This is happening across income levels and credit profiles. Even people who have always paid their debts on time are seeing dips in their credit scores. I'm not one of them, just so you know. The biggest reason credit card balances, Americans are carrying higher balances than ever. We just got done with Christmas and the holidays, and the utilization is one of the most powerful factors in your score. Even if you pay your bills on time, using more of your available credit can drag your scores down fast. Higher balances, maxed out cards, lower available credit. All of this can hurt your credit scores. Late payments are also climbing. Inflation, rent increases, food costs, and insurance hikes are forcing people to choose which bills to pay first. And credit cards are often left out of that fight. Interest rates are another silent killer. Higher interest rates mean balances grow faster. Even when you're making the payments on time, people feel like they're doing it the right way, but balances are barely moving. That interest rate is just spinning and going up and up and up. Another thing that's happening, student loan payments restarting added even more pressure. Millions of student loan borrowers suddenly had another required payment, pushing other accounts into risky territory. A lower credit score doesn't just mean higher interest rates. It affects housing insurance, employment check, and even the ability to fight debt collectors in court. When scores drop, lenders tighten the rules. Here's the good news. You still have control. Keep your utilization under 30%. Never miss minimum payments. Dispute inaccurate negative items on your credit reports. Don't panic. Close accounts that you're not going to be using. Make sure to address any and all collections that you have on your credit reports. Credit scores aren't falling because people suddenly got irresponsible. They're falling because the system has changed. People who understand this simple fact will survive and be able to prosper in the future. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, you can grab my 3-pack of letters absolutely free. I do ask for a donation on those. It can save you time, money, and frustration. Or you can go to summonsmaster.com and upload that debt collector letter, and it will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that you can utilize to stop debt collectors in their tracks. If you have debt collectors who are suing you, you can go to Summons Master, upload your summons, and get a court-ready summons response to every allegation and defense to help you win your case. Or you can go there, and we have a done-for-you service that's also available. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. Thank you.